to see a waterfall. As I'm saying, very carefully not to slip over as I walk down. The dude, Hayden and Isaac. Oh, seriously? It's got a really interesting smell right here. Really interesting. Hiya. That explains the smell.
And then there's another almost about there.
Right, so we're here at the moment. Or are we here? We're in two places at once. You were here and you were here. How's it?
No, we are. No, we're not there. We're here, aren't we?
That one?
I think we are, aren't we? Because see, there's the waterfall there. 5. It's right there.
So it is this way. Okay, found this waterfall. So I'll show you guys in it. Oh, that's awesome. Look at Isaac up there climbing up the top. Seriously, man, what are you doing?
Oh, wait, what? I thought it was shallow.
So this is Carrington Polytech. It used to be a mental asylum before it got changed into all this.
You must go straight through, Bryce.
We could get through there.
It's over here.
Better than slipping over.
So
It's right over here.
It'll just be like there around the corner. Oh.
obviously new buildings on the site, like this for accommodation for the students. But these were the old wards for the asylum.
Building 76, I believe it's like building 74 something.
So it's massive grounds with the Polytech. As you see now, which is this is now the art block. Building 76. Trying to picture what this place was like when it was actually an asylum. It's obviously the building area. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and hit that bell notification to get notified of our upcoming videos.
What? A 5-bed apartment for 2 bathrooms for $20 a week.
That'd be per person, it must be.
Holy crap, that's cheap though.
Yeah, per person, plus it'll be, if it's not, it'll be, you have to be a student.
Ah.